Alright, so this video is going to talk about this topic. Most times I say, if you don't want to hear about it, scroll away. However, this video, I'm not going to be describing it, and I feel like this is something a lot of people need to hear. So I would encourage you to stick around, but protect your mental health above all else. Sometimes survivors of SA do not remember what happened to them. Maybe that's a trauma response, maybe it's related to substances they took or were given without their knowledge. But for whatever reason, they cannot remember the events that happened before, during, or after the SA. And very often I will have survivors tell me as the SA nurse, I just want to know what happened to me. And I'm here to tell you the truth and maybe break your heart a little bit. I will never be able to tell you what happened. The best SA nurse in the entire world could do your exam and not be able to tell you for sure what happened to you. SA can occur without leaving any marks or injuries. And on the other side of that, injuries can occur during consensual interactions. Can I tell you that you have injuries or have physical findings? Yes, but I will never be able to say 100% certainty what happened. And that is so frustrating for a lot of survivors because they want to know. That piece of them is missing and they want to know what happened, and oftentimes there's just no way to find it out. But along with that, just because you don't remember what happens doesn't mean you can't go to the hospital and can't have evidence collected. You cannot remember and tell me that, Ellen, I have no clue what happened to me. And that's okay. I am still going to do everything in my power to make sure your body is okay, and if you would like, to collect any evidence that may be there. One of the hardest parts of my job is having to look somebody in the eye and tell them that I will never know exactly what happened, and I will never be able to give somebody those answers that they rightfully deserve. But just know that that does not stop us from taking care of our survivors who are brave enough to come into the hospital. It is my honor to take care of survivors of SA.